Duol manono timbe obila IPOA wacho ni gisechiwo ne okwach kich nyinge 4 mag obila ma itudo gi nek mar jong'anyo. Komishona mar IPOA John Waiganjo to wacho ni nitiere buche moko mamako obila 18 kama oting'o buche obila manonego Rex Masai magidhi godo nyime. To Waiganjo kata kamano wacho ni tend obila otamore siro gi lwedo e lwenj tieko timbe mag obila rocho ratiro mag oganda.
We have not seen the level of uncooperation we are seeing now from the police commanders, senior police officers, because we have sometimes to go back to them, for instance, to get certain documentations that we cannot move without. But we have since found a very hostile environment where our officers, when they go out, they are not getting any information. And when we give out summonses, they are not responded to. And we are going out of our way now to push the matter now to the judiciary to issue even warrants of arrest against the senior commanders so that they can come.
As the next recourse now?
Yes, and give us information because the public is demanding that we do certain things within our mandate. The law allows us now to escalate the matter to courts for warrants of arrest.